Hello and welcome back. Welcome to the channel. This is Engineer YouTuber, and my name is Gaurav Jodia. This is my LinkedIn page. Make sure you follow me on this LinkedIn page. If you have any question related to Python, SQL, machine learning, deep learning, GenAI, or the cutting edge new technologies, so make sure you follow me here also and subscribe to my channel because some people are connected with me in LinkedIn but not with my YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Now, there's a hype related to a DeepSeek, and I'm going to talk about the DeepSeek R1. This is the model launched by a Chinese company called DeepSeek, and this is their third or fourth model, and it is beating the OpenAI model, not one, because we can see how it is. So first of all, let me introduce the. This is a reasoning model, DeepSeek R1 zero, DeepSeek R1, and if you see here, DeepSeek R1 achieved the performance comparable to the OpenAI Not one across math, code, and reasoning tasks. So it is beating all over. So you can see here, math and all other tasks, it is beating every single aspect to the OpenAI zero not one model. So that's what I'm trying to say. And it is if you see this model, you can download in like you can check the benchmark here, the architecture, the activated parameters. So first thing first, I'm going to tell you how can you download that model into locally and how you can use it. So first of all, you need to go to the Open Llama and you need to go to the models. Once you click on the model, you can see there are several models, so you need to click on DeepSeek R1. Once you hit the DeepSeek R1, there is a you can see here 1.5 billion, 7 billion, 8 billion, 14 billion, 32 billion, and 70 billion. Those are the parameter which is trained by the DeepSeek R1 model. So you can select here. So for example, here you can select 7 billion, 8 billion, or 14 billion as per your local laptop capacity. So right now I'm choosing 8 billion because, and here you can copy the URL or the link. So yeah, okay. And so once you copy, you need to come to the command prompt and you need to paste it. So for example, I have already pasted because it take times to load that. And before that, you need to do one more thing. I forgot to tell you, you need to download the Llama model if you have not downloaded, because in previous video, if you see, I have already downloaded. That's why I have not mentioned that. You need to go to the Olama models, and once you go to the Llama, so you need to download for your if you have a OS, Mac OS, Linux, or Windows. So I'll click on a Windows and download for Windows. So it will start downloading. So once it is downloaded, you need to install that and you can use it for your locally. Now once you run that, Olama run DeepSeek R1 and the parameter colon 8 billion. So once it is installed, you will get a successful message, because I have already installed that. I'll not get that. And you can see it is a thing that what it is. So what I have written here, so I'll just type here. So for example, just 2 plus 2. This is a very simple, and it is taking time because my internet is slow, you can see here. But if you see, when I try to talk to the model, hi, hello, how can I assist you, it started with very simple, and it give a prompt response. And now how can you connect with your VS Code, because it is not a free. If you use a DeepSeek directly, it is not free. So for if you want to use in your locally, so what you can do, you can open your VS Code. Then you need to install. You need to go to the here. Like, just give me a second. I don't know why it is not working. Okay, just give me a second. Okay. Hmm. So you need to go to here. Here have you have the extensions. On extension, you need to click on continue dot dev. So continue dot dev, you will get that, and you need to install. I have already installed, because you can see I can uninstall. Now you need to click here and install that. Once you have installed, you can see this is the symbol for that. Once you have that, you need to go to here, and I'll make it. Now add a chat model from OpenAI to, you can choose your because you are using a, don't select DeepSeek, you can select Olama, and after that you need to keep it auto detect, or you can use this link to download that previously I have mentioned, because I already mentioned that you need to give a install provider, whatever the provider you have, and you need to click on connect. So once you have that, you can see here you have one connection in your provider. Once you have that, you can just write a code, write a code for simple to do list app. It take time because the thing is my laptop is little bit older one, and the signal I'm having is low today, and I don't know why I'm recording today, but the reason I want to show you as soon as possible. And yeah, that's the thing. So it take a few minutes because, as I mentioned, so I'll keep it as it is. Now I'll show you one more thing that I want to show you. Like in chat gpt, I have given some prompt here. I want to create a snake game using computer vision python, and I have given all the description, like python, open cv and numpy, how it work, and how what I have learned, and create a fun interacting game. I have given the prompt, and I want to create a code. So once he created a code, I have pasted into my uh, pasted here in id, but it did not work, which I really want it should work, because it was opening the window, and it is just closing that window. Nothing happens inside that. So you can see here, the 2 plus 2, the sum of 2 plus 2 is 4. Let's now, if I ask something like what is self attention in transformer, so it will give you a response here, but it take time, as I mentioned. आज क्या पता, सब slow चल रहा है लैपटॉप वगैरह. Okay, तो I have given the prompt, but it did not write a code correctly. It gave me an error over there, several error. I cannot fix it that time. So what I did, I just moved to the DeepSeek, and I say simply, write me a code for a simple Python code for a food word game. So it is a food game. But after that, what I have given a hand control snake game. So it is written me a hand control game. I'm gonna show you in this video if possible, because the system is running very slow today. Let me check. So you can see here, till time I'm not getting the response. Here also it started. Like, first I should decide, because whenever you talk to the DeepSeek. So let me show you here how meanwhile it will work. If you see here, go to here, rar. Okay, so if you talk to DeepSeek, now if you and the important thing is that you can search from, if you click on this icon, like a glow, and search, so it will extract the data from internet also. And if you click on the deep think r1, so if you, for example, if you have a research paper, like uh, give me give me a brief of attention. Attention is all you you need. Sorry, all you need. Research, research, research. Sorry, research paper. Okay. So once I click, you can see here, founded 32 results, and now it is thinking. So it will give you the brief how it started reconstructing the that paper, and it will give us a brief about it. So you can see a brief summary of attention all you need research paper. It is extracting that data and giving that extracted data. So you can see from 32 result all over the, he find it somewhere on google or any resources, and then he give us a data. So you can see here, even with a research paper and the legal links we have, so you can see it is giving me a brief introduction about it. You can prepare for your like you can prepare your research paper from it. You can take a reference from it to write your research paper for building a research paper. Then you can take uh, a reference or help from this model to learn it, and for your interview also. So it is a big thing. And let's go back. Now it's still trying to build that, and I can not say when it will happen here. So it is taking too much time, and you can see the processor is, my processor is, I need to, yeah, I'll change that as soon as possible. It is writing. So meanwhile, what I'll do, I'll go here and I'll write app.py. And now I'll make sure कि ये close कर दूं, और इसको slash by बोलने के बाद it will not that by, this by, no, this by. So it will close. Now I'm out of the model, so I cannot ask a question here. So I'll keep it as it is. Now what I'll do, I'll just go here and I'll copy this. So you can let me check. This is the revised one, or I need to go. Okay, this is the revised one, I think so. And I'll show you how clear the code is. And it was very, means I was surprised that कि इसने इतने easily ये code लिख लिया. So let's try Python, and I'll python.py. So let's wait for it's whenever it is started running. Wait for few minutes. Uh, I know. But okay, let's see. It is still taking a time. I don't know. ये वीडियो में नहीं बता पाया तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे. But you can, I have created a gesture control so that you can play a snake game using a hand gesture. So I'll show you how it was working. And I have not written a single line here. I just, yeah, taking too much time now. What I'll do, I'll just close this. I'll share the link. I don't know. Uh, I'll just keep it. It's taking time. I don't know why. And I'll do one thing. I'll just close this thing. Can I cancel? Okay, now I cancel that. I'll come back to my program because it is taking too much time to run this also. If I go to my command prompt, it's still taking time. I close that. Can I run it here? Let's try that. Not running. I don't know why. Ah, please close this window. Can you come out of the गाइस. इस वीडियो में तो नहीं हो पा रहा है. मैं करने की ट्राई कर रहा था, बट आई विल मेक श्योर कि मैं इसको कट करके वहाँ पेस्ट कर दूंगा सो दैट यू कैन वॉच दैट आल्सो. सो या, I'm just copying a code from here. You can see this is from DeepSeek only, and we are copying a code. I'm not changing a single line. I have just pasted here. I'll just remove this one and I'll paste here. I'll save and just keep going here. If you see, I'll just close this one. And now if I go here and rerun that, you can see actually previously I was with a video camera shooting with the camera. So the camera close. If it is not closed, the camera is used for video recording. So that time I cannot use this app because it is on OpenCV and it is using my hand gesture. So it is a real time hand gesture. So you can see now if I, so it is going down. Now if I move, now if I move down again, okay, now down, and yeah. So now you can see the score is 1. And if I just stop here, it will stop. And if I press the Q, it will stop over here also. But the thing is, this is the code I have just copied from DeepSeek, and I didn't change a single line. I have not even changed a single line, but it works fine. So that's what I'm trying to say. So if you liked it, the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, follow me on LinkedIn, and make sure you like the video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.